Completed your project. To export the final video, you have to go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. So now a render queue will be opened and it will just show you the settings, the output module, etc. So you have to go to the settings here, and then you can just select the different qualities available. You can go to this output module, then select the format here. So usually you can select the H.264 format. So you can select the QuickTime or the MOV format. Now click on OK. You can select the quality. So let me select a lower quality, proxy quality, and then just hit on OK. You select the format. Usually we output it using the QuickTime or as a MP4. To export as a MP4, you need to send it to under software. So it's better that you export as the QuickTime format. So the rest of this you can leave it as it is. Leave as it is. Click on OK. And there's option to output to. So you can select the folder where you need to output the final file. So let me just put it somewhere here. And after you have just selected all the settings, you can just click on render and it will render your file. So it's now started rendering. So now you have completed rendering the project. Now you can go there and you can just see the file there. So if you go to the edit, and you can see the file. So if I open that, you can see your rendered file. So if you need to make another format, you can again go to this, or you can then just click on this and duplicate this. So again you can select another format, click on duplicate. Again you need to choose the different settings and specify the path.